Perovskites are seriously the brightest shining stars in emerging solar tech right now. The potential is massive. But here's the catch. We've got over 19,000 scattered papers. Keeping track of all that? Nearly impossible. To fix this chaos, scientists are using FAIR principles, making data findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. Enter the Perovskite Database Project. It's a colossal, community-driven beast built on thousands of hours of manual data extraction. This radically expands the standard research cycle, connecting everyday lab experimentalists directly to massive global insights. Basically, it's Silicon Valley meeting materials science. We're finally using big data just like they use it for AI. You can now dig into a staggering depth of metadata, synthesis parameters, and performance metrics for every single device. By combining all this, you can instantly generate interactive charts tracking global record efficiencies with literally one click. The big takeaway? Single-junction perovskite solar cells now boast certified efficiencies soaring above 25%. That's huge. But beyond just flashy records, mapping this historical spread helps us spot realistic field-wide trends instantly. Looking at the timeline, going from early devices in 2010 to a global database in 2020 is insanely fast. The data even uncovers hidden truths, like how the popular material spiramio-tad actually causes a slight voltage loss. It even lets us mathematically predict the exact band gap of completely unexplored, highly efficient new material blends. However, there are still massive hurdles. Notice how cell efficiency drops off a cliff when scaling up the surface area? Another huge challenge is stability. Shockingly, less than 20% of published cells even get tested for long-term endurance. This brings us to the famous iceberg problem. We only see published successes, completely losing thousands of failed trial runs. To fix this, the project created a dead simple 3-step open science workflow to capture all future experimental data. Ultimately, this crowdsourced approach is building the definitive open-source Wikipedia for solar cell research across the entire globe. Which leaves us with one massive question. What other scientific fields could this open data revolution completely transform next?